everyone. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे समथिंग अबाउट वेल्थ क्रिएशन. अब हम सब चाहते हैं कि हमारी वेल्थ जनरेट हो, क्रिएट हो. हम इन्वेस्टमेंट्स करना चाहते हैं, एसेट्स लेना चाहते हैं, हाउस प्रॉपर्टी ये चाहिए वो चाहिए. बट एक्चुअली डू वी हैव द माइंडसेट टू हैव वेल्थ, टू क्रिएट वेल्थ फॉर ईयर्स टू कम, फॉर जनरेशंस टू कम? सो आप हमें ये बताइए कि जो माइंडसेट, किस तरह का माइंडसेट होना चाहिए टू क्रिएट वेल्थ, टू बिकम रिच इन लाइफ, एंड व्हाट इज़ वेल्थ एक्चुअली?
ओके, मैं बहुत सीधा और सिंपल जवाब दूंगा इसका. अगर आप देखो, हम काफ़ी लोगों को देखते हैं, दे गॉट गुड कार्स, दे गॉट हाई एंड मोबाइल्स. So what these people are doing is they're living life on debt.
Okay.
So whatever they are earning, they're trying to spend on assets which are losing their value over a period of time.
मतलब depreciation kind of.
So that means if you have bought a mobile now, after 5 years will be sold for 50,000. Mobile will be about 5,000.
इसकी वैल्यू कम हो जाएगी.
If you start investing in your high value car, Audis and BMW, nothing against those brands, but the value will depreciate. On the contrary, if you start investing and building up your assets, which starts giving you a passive income, I think this is where the wealth generation starts. So that means a portion of your earning, if that gets invested in building up assets, that is the right way to build up wealth, rather than owning more and more land.
पर उसके लिए आपको अर्न करना भी ज़रूरी है ना.
The first investment has to be on yourself, on your health, on your skills, so that you earn more. But if you earn more, make sure that you create more and more assets with your earning, rather than adding more and more outflows of your cash, which is not yielding you cash.
अब जो एसेट्स की आप बात कर रहे हो कि जो आपको आगे पैसिव इनकम जनरेट करके देंगे, किस तरह के एसेट्स हम बोल रहे हैं? हम कार नहीं, मोबाइल नहीं, देन व्हाट?
मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि कार नहीं, मोबाइल नहीं. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि आप कार भी लो, मोबाइल भी लो, लेकिन एक्स्ट्रा वैगन मत लो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपके पास इफ यू वांट टू बाय अ 50 लाख रुपीज़ कार, यू कैन इजीली बाय अ 10 लाख रुपीज़ ऑफ कार. Put that 40 lakh rupees to get and earn money for you. This is what I'm trying to say. So when you talk about passive income, I think there are multiple ways where you could go and create passive incomes. Very simple example could be buying some good dividend yielding stocks. Every quarter you get some dividend out of it, so you start getting some income out of it. Another example could be owning a house or a property which you are giving it on rent. The fixed rent that is coming out. If you own a commercial property, the rental yield will be very high, about 4 to 5%. But if it is a residential property, the rental yield will be 2 or 2.5%. So these are the things. If you are starting investing them and putting them to get some money from what you have built up, this is the real circle of wealth creation actually.
So I think what we're trying to say is that make money earn for you. Right?
Absolutely.
At the end of the day, it is all about wealth generation and make your money earn for you so that wealth can be created over a period of time.
Absolutely. The famous quote by Warren Buffett that if you are not earning while you are sleeping, you can never be rich. So I think your assets should keep on earning for you even while you are sleeping.
Even while you're sleeping. और हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे नेक्स्ट अपने सीरीज़ में, जहाँ हम बताएंगे कि पैसिव इनकम और वेल्थ जनरेशन हम कैसे कर सकते हैं फॉर द मासेस एंड फॉर एवरीबॉडी. थैंक यू.
Thank you very much.